Hello and welcome co-workers and networkers and everybody who's associated with Virtual Co-working Space. My name is Michelle Dale and I'm here with Susan, who is also one of our co-workers inside Virtual Co-working Space, and we have something super exciting to announce, don't we, Susan?
Yes, we do.
Say hi to everyone.
Hello.
So we are doing our first, I'm going to say, co-worker hosted workshop inside Virtual Co-working Space, and it's on the 30th of May and the 6th of June. Yes. And over those 2 days, Susan is going to be with us inside Virtual Co-working Space and guiding us on one of the biggest topics associated with virtual assistants. It's organization. So we're all going to learn how to supercharge our organization skills with Susan. So Susan, tell us what you're going to be sharing with us.
Well, I think when we get ready to tackle projects, we have great ideas and we know what we want to do, but we don't know where to start. And so we're going to walk through the steps that will help us figure out why we're going to do it, where, what, when, how. And if we follow the workbook and we walk through all of the steps, it helps us put everything in alignment and gives us the momentum to start and to keep going, and to really understand what we want to do, how we want to do it, and what we want to accomplish. And then also gives us the, what do I want to say? The go get it. You know, this is what I'm going to do. At the end, at the end, I'm going to feel so great. Like, we're going to talk about those feelings too.
Yeah.
So that kind of keeps you going through it, because sometimes it can be hard once you start.
And I love how when, like, I've seen a lot of your work that you've done in terms of organization, and really Susan is our resident organizational expert when it comes to these things. And you do believe a lot in mindset and work a lot with mindset and how that progresses and pushes you through to take action. So we're going to be covering certain aspects of that too inside the workshop. But what are going to be the big takeaways that everyone can get from attending this workshop?
Well, I think once we start getting into our real life example,
yes,
and I show you the steps that I've taken to work through this particular project, it helps you see how you can do it yourself for whatever that you're looking to accomplish.
Exactly. So, and what we've put together, or what you've put together, is pretty much relating to like physical environments as well as digital environments.
Correct. We're actually going to work on a digital project, which is probably something a lot of us in the virtual assistant arena can relate to. But it will also easily translate into physical as well. But this is a good example, since we do work in a very digital market right now.
We do. So I'm super excited about this, because not only is this coming at a time where everyone's thinking about spring cleaning, we're into May and everyone's like clearing out the cupboards, clearing out the office, getting organized. Not only are we in that period of or that season of the year, but we're also about to start on one sourcing. And the One Sourcing 2.0 version is very much about getting things together, getting organized, getting your business up and running, getting it out there, and doing the things that you need to do. So I'm super excited about the timing of this, because I feel like the two are just going to be perfect together.
Absolutely.
Okay, well, thank you, Susan. If you want to join me and Susan inside Virtual Co-working Space, you can do that. We start on the 30th of May. We go into the June the 6th. And over these 2 sessions that we're going to be teaching live, you'll be able to discover how to get super organized in your home, in your workspace, on your computer, and everywhere. So thank you so much, Susan, and we shall see you there.
All right. Thanks.